Greetings and salutations, YouTube land. Pure Evil here again with another unboxing video, along with my lovely assistant. And once you see her and you see the purple envelope, you know what that means. It's time for another Zanini box. These contain 5 pop culture pins. They do everything from TV, old cartoons, video games, you name it, it's been in a Zanini box. They have plans with 3, 4, and 5 pins. I think they range from like $7 to $15 a month, something like that. You can get locking backs, you can get trading cards. There's a lot of different options available. There'll be a link down below in the description box. Assistant, are you ready?
Yep.
Chomp, my blade. Let's get ready for the unboxing! Thought I forgot, didn't you? These are actually very thick envelopes. Okay. Try to get the pins out without seeing them. Ooh, we got a double poster pin this time. That's new. Whoops, saw that one. Anything else in here? Spoiler. Nothing else. Alright, assistant. Which pin shall we pick? I'll hold it. Oh, Mommy likes this one. E.T. Phone Home! Have you seen E.T.?
Nuh-uh.
We really gotta do something about that. Mummy has failed in her job. Okay, next. Alright, I'll show it, because it is... Who is that? Oh, it's Marcus Phoenix. Video game, one I don't play. It's driving me. I think he's from that Half-Life. I think, nope, sorry, Gears of War maybe? I don't know. Something I don't play. I think he's Gears of War, judging by the skull. Double poster. Let's see. And it's Johnny Bravo from Cartoon Network. I only know him from like the commercials. I've never actually seen him. However, Weird Al was on one of his episodes, so it had to be a good show. Alright, and this one is Captain America. I think they're going with an Avengers theme right now. Not a bad choice. Nice pin. It's more of the classic style, not the movie, so I'm a fan of that. Finally, what do you think it is? Guess.
I don't know.
Okay, it's going to be an I don't know. And it is...
Ooh.
a Stormtrooper. Nice. I thought they were done the Star Wars pins. That was a surprise. Love me some Stormtroopers. Glad to have those. Pretty good box this month. So, which one was your favorite?
Stormtrooper.
Stormtrooper? Yeah, that's gotta be mine, although, E.T. is definitely a close second. Right, assistant, thank you very much. And as always, if you enjoyed this video and my help from my assistant, give me that thumbs up. Anything to say, shoot me a comment down below. Hit that little bell if you want to know the moment all my videos go live, and save me the trouble of nagging you. If you haven't yet, you want to catch all my videos, hit that subscribe button that's probably floating somewhere over her face. And as always, you know what to say? be excellent to each other, and
Party on, dudes!
party on, dudes!